mismo ano.
Yes.
Kamusta yung experience working with the superstar?
Sobrang, sobrang wonderful experience. Ang saya is one of the best jobs in the world is to be a father. I'm a very basic dad, pero I find time pa rin. I'm a very, kasi travel, pero I really find time to spend time with my children. Lalo naman sa mga boy.
Others with families.
Wala pa, hindi ko rin sa pero
When your kids grow up in the future, would you rather have them be in politics or in social?
whatever their heart is, I will support them. Kasi once upon a time when I was doing, when I was still young, nangarap ako, I'm very grateful na sinupport ako ng mga magulang ko sa mga